Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Improper fraction.
What does the dictionary say?
A fraction having the numerator greater than the denominator.
Math rap.
Improper fractions didn't do anything wrong. They got a bad name, but here's all that's going on. These top-heavy fractions, when you got them, have a top number equal or greater than the one on the bottom.
Math rap.
My friend has trouble understanding what an improper fraction is, even though he tells me that he tries to learn about them 24/7. Explain improper fractions in your own words. Name other commonly used or spoken improper fractions like 24/7. Make a huge improper fraction that can be simplified, then simplified to its lowest form. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!